Every day at the workplace is an opportunity to grow, improve, and excel. The key to success lies in your mindset, determination, and consistency. Embrace challenges. Each challenge is a stepping stone toward success. Instead of fearing obstacles, see them as opportunities to learn and evolve. Stay focused. Distractions are everywhere, but staying committed to your goals will help you achieve remarkable results. Prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively. Cultivate positivity. A positive attitude can turn stressful moments into manageable ones. Encourage yourself and others with kind words and uplifting thoughts. Build strong connections. Great achievements are rarely done alone. Foster teamwork. Collaborate openly, and support your colleagues. Together, you can accomplish amazing things. Celebrate progress. Even small wins matter. Recognizing your achievements, no matter how minor, keeps you motivated and inspires you to aim higher. Remember, success isn't just about reaching a goal, it's about growing stronger, wiser, and more confident along the way. Keep pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off.